Welcome back everyone to another fast meal prep hack. So in today's episode I'm going to show you how to make a fast and easy vegan chili. Very high in protein, high in vitamin and minerals, but with that said, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you need is our high protein meat alternative. This is Smart Ground Crumbles by Light Life. Alright, then we're going to also use something that's very high in vitamins and minerals, and this is our kale, high in vitamin K, vitamin A, C, iron, so on and so forth. Then we have our shiitake mushrooms. All right, this is about 100 grams. As well, we have about 100 grams of white onions. We have a half a cup of your favorite marinara sauce, and if you don't have marinara sauce, you can also use tomatoes as well. Then we have 100 grams of green bell peppers, a great source of vitamin C. So when you use a vitamin C source with any type of iron, for example, using the bell peppers with the kale, all right, this is going to increase the iron absorption rate by 5 times. This is why we use these ingredients. And then we have some chopped up garlic, okay? So with that said, let's go ahead and start the cooking. So we're going to go ahead and put our pan on medium heat. And we're going to use some olive oil, all right, because we're going to saute the vegetables first to make the flavor really come out. We're going to go ahead and take our onions, mushrooms, and dump it all in first, okay? Now, during the saute process, like I said before, it's going to really bring out more of the flavor. And then we're just going to wait and let it saute and cook for a little bit. And then after that, we'll just add in the rest of the ingredients and we're done. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. So we're going to go ahead, add our beefless crumbles, or smart crumbles, our kale, and the last ingredient, the tomato sauce. We want to lower the heat. Yeah, mix it all in. Because the smart crumbles are already cooked, so we're really just warming it up, and then we're going to spread it out. And you want to lower the heat during this time, because if you're using a measured out sauce, then you don't want it to dry up and cook too fast. So this is why I'm lowering the heat, and all the heat that's in the pan already is going to warm everything up and also keep it saucy. But if you want to add more sauce, you can always add more marinara sauce. That's not a problem. Just remember that the carbohydrates is going to be a lot higher if you do. So this is more, like I said, a meal prep recipe. But if you're allowed to eat more carbohydrates, then go ahead and make the dish more saucier and add more marinara sauce. It's not a problem. Now the last thing I'm going to do, which I totally forgot to add in, is some nutritional yeast. All right, so this is to give it more of a cheesy flavor. And this is where you get a lot of your B vitamins from. You can mix that in there as well. And then that's it. You're pretty much done. So let's go ahead and prep the plate and put everything in there.
It reminded me of my dog.
All right, so let's go ahead and try it out.
She died when I was 8, and she crawled underneath it.
Very good.
The porch.
Super delicious. If you want to add any size to it, I would say maybe a couple slices of avocado. I think that would go great with this chili. But with that said, this is how you make my vegan chili. Again, like I said, it's super high in protein, high in vitamins and minerals. And if you really like this video, please like, share, tag, and comment down below. Also, if you want to check out the macronutrients and the directions, as well as all of the ingredients, that will be in the description box as well. So my name is Corinne Sutton, and hope you enjoy.